Is the screen visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in the previous class, we have talked about the various component of your time response analysis. So we have gone through the one particular indices, that is nothing but TP. We want to find out the equation of TP, that is peak time. Okay, so the equation of peak time we have got pi upon omega d. Okay, or if you are putting omega d value, it will be pi upon omega n under root 1 minus zeta square. Now I'll be going for TD, TR and TS in this particular lecture. Okay, just wait. Just wait. I will be coming with other PDFs also. So we were talking about this particular waveform. So we want to derive some equation related to all the indices of this. Just wait, हाँ मैंने कह जो बराबर देखा है कि नहीं. Is it more visible now?
Yes, sir.
Shall I put the flashlight on or previous is okay?
This is perfect.
So now we are going for transient response analysis. So in transient response analysis, we are having this TD, TR, TP, and TS and MP. So we want to find out this. Okay, out of this we have gone for one particular uh, indice, that is nothing but TP, that is nothing but your peak time, and that we have derived. Now I want to derive for peak overshoot. What is peak overshoot? Peak overshoot is this. Okay, so if I want to define this peak overshoot, it would be like it is the difference between your actual output and your reference input in terms of a percentage. Okay, so how we can find it out? It is the value of this is nothing but the difference between these two. What is the difference at this point? What is the difference? Reference input is your 1, and what is actual output is nothing but your CP. Okay, so mathematically what I can written is the difference between these 2 points. This point is known to me, that is 1, and this point is what? It is MP. Okay, so this C of t at MP minus 1 is nothing but your MP. So what I will do, I will write MP is equal to, I will write MP is equal to C of t at peak minus 1. Okay, because we want to find out this. આપણે આટલો ડિસ્ટન્સ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવું છે. So આ c of t છે અને આ છે actually 1 છે. It is nothing but c of t, but it is 1. Okay, so what is the equation of c of t? It will be 1 minus e raised to minus zeta omega n into t divided by under root 1 minus zeta square sin omega d t plus theta. This is the value of c of t minus 1. Okay, this c of t is related at which time? આ time કયો છે? આ peak time છે. Is it at peak time? So I will name as a, it is nothing but your, okay, opening the bracket, so it will be 1 minus e raised to minus zeta omega n into dp divided by under root 1 minus zeta square sin omega d tp plus theta. Okay, minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 is going to cancel out, so it will be minus e raised to minus zeta omega n into tp divided by under root 1 minus zeta square into sin omega d tp plus theta. Now what is the value of tp? tp ની વેલ્યુ તમે ડેરાઇવ કરી તો એ વેલ્યુ શું આવી હતી? tp is equal to pi by omega d, that we have derived earlier. અહીંયા મેં derive કરી હતી pi by omega d. I'm putting it over here. Okay, so tp is equal to pi by omega d. Your mp is equal to e raised to minus e raised to zeta omega n into tp divided by under root 1 minus zeta square sin omega d into tp. tp value pi by omega d plus theta. અહીંયા tp માં વેલ્યુ નથી મૂકી, લેટર મૂકીશ. Okay, so it will be minus e raised to the minus zeta omega n into tp under root 1 minus zeta square sin pi plus theta. What is the value of sin plus pi plus theta? Sin pi plus theta is equal to minus sin theta sin pi plus theta, it is equal to minus sin theta. Can I say pi ઉપર sin કેટલો હોય? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Will be minus sin theta. Okay, so minus and minus, it will be going to be
Plus.
Plus.
okay. So just rewriting the equation over here, so it will be e raised to minus zeta omega n into dp divided by under root 1 minus zeta square sin pi plus theta. એની બદલે શું લખીશ? minus sin theta minus minus plus, so it will be sin theta. Okay, now what is the value of sin theta? That earlier we have assumed, or while deriving, what is the value of sin theta we have assumed? Sin theta is equal to under root 1 minus zeta square. I will put the value of sin theta over here. E raised to minus zeta omega n into dp under root 1 minus zeta square sin theta. It is nothing but it is going to be zeta. So e raised to minus zeta omega n into dp. mp is equal to, we have got this formula, mp is equal to, okay, e raised to minus zeta omega n. tp is equal to what? tp is equal to pi by omega d. What is the value of omega d? E raised to minus zeta omega n pi by omega d. Omega d is equal to what? Omega n under root minus zeta square. Omega n cancel out, so it will be e raised to minus zeta into pi divided by under root 1 minus zeta square, MP. It is the final equation of your MP. If I want to find out in terms of a percentage, I have to multiply it with 100. Done. So we have got this particular formula for your transient response analysis, MP. Just revising, MP is what? It is the difference between your actual output at peak minus 1. Okay. So what is the equation of C of t? We have written over here minus 1. Opening the bracket, yeah, 1 is going to be cancelled out. So you will be having this equation. In this equation, what I will do? I will put the value of Tp. What I will do? I will put the value of Tp. If I am putting the value of Tp is equal to pi by omega d. So it will be pi by omega d is going to be cancelled out over here. So we will be having sine n pi plus theta. So at n pi your sine will be minus. It will be minus sine theta. Okay. So minus and minus, this sine and this sine is going to be plus. Okay. So your equation will be looking like this: e raised to minus zeta omega n into Tp under root 1 minus zeta square sine theta. Sorry. So sine theta is equal to what? Sine theta is equal to under root 1 minus sine theta is equal to what? Under root 1 minus. Okay. So this is going to be cancelled out. Now we will be having MP. MP is equal to e raised to minus zeta omega n into Tp. I will again put the value of Tp, pi by omega d. Pi by omega d, it is omega n under root omega n cancelled out. Okay, so I will be getting this e raised to minus zeta into pi under root 1 minus zeta square into 100. If I want to find out in terms of a percentage, 100. Okay, so what we have done? We have found out two equations. Okay, what are these two equations? This Tp we have already found out, peak time, and another we have found out maximum overshoot. So this two is complete. Now we have to find out this Tr and Ts. Okay, so again for finding out Tr, what is the definition of Tr? It is the time required for the response to reach from 10% to the 90% of its final value. 0.1 થી લઈને 0.9 વચ્ચેનો જે ટાઈમ છે એને શું કહેવાય? રાઇઝ ટાઈમ કહેવાય. In some cases your time is required from 0 to 90% or 0 to 100%. It is again termed as a rise time. Okay, so for that what I will do? I will take the main equation. Okay, again I will take the main equation. I want to find out rise time. Okay, so it will be okay. So as I said earlier, rise time is what? In most of the cases it is termed as like this. 0.1 થી લઈ અને 0.9 સુધીનો જે ટાઈમ હોય એને rise time કહેવાય. But here I will take 0 to 100%. So I will be terming as a TR in this case. 0 to 100%. For some system it is 0 to 100. For some system it's 0.1 to 0.9. Okay, so at time t is equal to tr. આ tr છે ત્યારે ct ની વેલ્યુ કેટલી હશે? What is the value of ct now? કોના જેટલી છે? આ c of t છે તમારો. What is the value over here?
1.
Same. Okay, c of t is equal to the reference value. The reference value is what? Okay, so your 1 is equal to ct of t at tr. T is equal to tr. Okay, so 1 is equal to c of t, 1 minus e raised to minus zeta omega n into t divided by under root 1 minus zeta square sine omega dt plus theta. We are talking about t is equal to tr, so I will put it over here. T is equal to. Okay, so this is going to be cancelled out. 1, 1. So I will be having 0 is equal to minus e raised to minus zeta omega n into tr divided by under root 1 minus zeta square into sine omega d tr plus theta. What does that mean? Either this term is 0 or this term is 0. Okay, this term 0, if it is this term is 0, that means you are having 0, either તમારું 0 zeta છે અથવા તો omega n છે, which is not the practical case. Okay, why? Because system is having tendency to oppose the oscillation. એટલે zeta તો 0 નથી. Okay, so what will happen? Or zeta 1 भी નથી, e raised to minus 1 करिए तो, so this term should be 0. So sine omega d tr plus theta is equal to, okay, sine 0 क्या रहता है? When omega d tr plus theta is equal to n. Okay, I am talking about n is equal to 1. That means when it is reaches to a first time, when it is reaches to a first time, I'll be having this point. Okay, so I will take n is equal to 1 over here. So it will be equal to omega d tr plus theta is equal to pi. So omega d tr is equal to pi minus theta. So tr is equal to pi minus theta upon omega d tr. Okay, whatever the value of omega d you have to write, you can write. It is nothing but omega n under root 1 minus theta square. Again in terms of second. Done. What we have done? We want to find out the rise time. So according to the definition of rise time, it is the time required for the system to reach from 0 to 100%. Okay, it is the time required for the system to reach from 0 to 100%. So at that time your c of t is equal to 1. Okay, so 1 is equal to c of t at tr. Okay, so this equation we have got. I will put the value of c of t. Okay, we are talking about t is equal to tr, so I'll be having this equation. So we'll be getting 0 because 1 is going to be cancelled out. So either this term is going to be 0 or this term is going to be 0. Okay, it is not the case, because if it is 0, that means your system is unstable. But આપણો waveform કેવો છે? આવો છે. Okay, that means your system is stable. So this part is not 0, so this part must be 0. So sine omega d tr plus theta is equal to 0. Okay, sine omega d tr plus theta is equal to 0. Okay, so this is going to be sine will be 0 when we are having an n pi. I'm talking about the first attempt, that is અહીંયા જે તમારો waveform આવ્યો એ at n is equal to 1. So omega d tr plus theta is equal to pi. Okay, theta minus tr is equal to pi minus theta. Okay, so we have derived for rise time also. Now we will go for ts. Ts is nothing but the settling time. Okay, so settling time. Settling time, it is the time required for the system. It is defined as it is the time required for the system to reach in plus or minus 2% band of error. એટલે આઉટપુટ છે એ અહીંયા ભલે આમ બતાવ્યું, but it would be like this. તમારો આઉટપુટ કેવો હોવો જોઈએ? આવો હોવો જોઈએ. So that means I have given a error band of plus or minus 2%. Okay, if your output reaches to a error band of 0.2%, whatever the time is required, it is nothing but your. Okay, so for that what we have to do, we need to find out the value of c of t. at t is equal to ts. So that is ts. For finding out ts, what we have to do? Ts we will be having at generally at ts. Sorry, generally at ts our c of t is equal should be 1. Ideally it should be 1, but what will be the value of c of t? If I am talking about plus or minus 10%, it will be either 0.98 or 1.0. I'll be going for this calculation 0.98. ઓછો હોય એવું generally લઉં છું because it is your output is lower. It will be 0.990. So c of t at ts is nothing but 0.90. Now I will write down the equation of c of t. So what is the equation of c of t? 1 minus e raised to minus zeta omega n into t under root 1 minus zeta square, okay, into sine omega dt plus theta. It is a general form of your c of t. Okay, it is the general form of your c of t. Okay, so if this c of t will be applicable at t is equal to ts. If t is equal to ts આવી ગયો, that means is there any oscillations? No, it is the simple straight line. Oscillations નથી. Oscillations માટેનું curve factor હતો. So this is going to be vanish. Okay, at time t is equal to ts, this sine term goes to vanish. ये અહીંયાથી 0 તો નહીં થાય, vanish થઈ જશે. That means any value 1 થઈ જશે આખાની. Okay, so what we have got, c of t is equal to 1 minus e raised to minus zeta omega n into t under root 1 minus. Okay, again we are having some oscillations over here. Okay, if we are having some oscillations over here, then what is going to happen? This zeta is negligible over here. અહીંયા એને opposition કરવાની જરૂર થતી જ નથી. Okay, so it will be nearly equal to 0. Okay, so it will be 1 minus, let us say 0, so it will be 1 minus 0 square under root 1 is nothing but your 1. So it will be 1 minus e raised to minus zeta omega n into t. This is under root 1 is equal to 0. At time c of t at ts, what is the value of c of t? C of t ની value શું છે? 0.98 is equal to 1 minus e raised to zeta omega n into ts. Okay, so e raised to minus zeta omega n into ts is equal to 1 minus 0.98. So it will be 0.02 is equal to e raised to minus zeta omega n into ts. Okay, so I want to find out ts. So what I have to do? Order માં છે. So we have to take the ln on the both the side. Okay, if I am taking ln at the both the side, so it will be ln 0.02. So it will be minus zeta omega n into ts. એને આ બાજુ લઈ જાઓ તો ln થઈ જશે or vice versa. Okay, so it will be this. Okay, what is the value of ln 0.02? Use your calci.
Minus 3.91.
So it will be minus 3.91. Okay, is equal to minus zeta omega n into ts. Minus minus is going to cancel out. 3.91 is equal to zeta into omega n into ts. What is the value of ts? Ts is equal to zeta omega n upon 3.91, or in other words we will be taking as 4 zeta omega n upon, again yes, huh?
So 3.91 upon zeta omega n.
Okay, sorry, it is mistake. Ts is equal to 3.91 upon zeta omega n. 3.91 I am taking as a 4. Done. Okay, we have got the value 4 divided by zeta omega n for which system કે જ્યારે તમારો error નો band છે plus or minus 2% હોય તો. Okay, what if it is plus or minus 5%? Plus or minus 5% હોય એટલે અહીંયા આન્સર શું આવશે?
0.95.
0.95. 0.95 ln 0.95 કરશો 0.05 કરશો અને અહીંયાથી આન્સર આવશે. શું આન્સર આવે છે જુઓ, ln 0.05
minus 2.99.
so our final answer શું આવશે? 2.99. I am taking as 3 for which system? Plus or minus 5. Okay, so it might be asked in examination, derive the equation for TS for plus or minus 0.2% and what will be the effect if the error band is reduced or increased to plus or minus 5%. Done. Okay, so we have derivation of TS also. TD we don't derive because it is having some somewhat complication in higher order system, so that we can solve with the help of mathematical calculation rules, so we will just avoid it. Okay, so we have got the formula for TS. What is the formula for TS? 4 upon zeta omega n. Okay, generally તમને કોઈ બી example માં ના આપ્યું હોય તો by default you can take plus or minus 2% error band. So TS is equal to what? TS is equal to 4 upon zeta omega n. What is the equation of TP? TP is equal to equation of TP.
Pi by omega.
Pi
Pi
by
by omega.
omega d. This one. Okay, then we have gone for MP. MP is equal to e raised to minus zeta pi upon under root 1 minus zeta square into 100. Okay, percentage ma find out કરવું હોય so you have to write 100. Done. Next is we have gone for TR. Okay, so TR we have got pi minus theta upon omega t, this one. Then we have gone for TS. TS is equal to 4 upon zeta omega n. Okay, and TD directly you can write TD is equal to, have we written all this equation? TD I think लगभग एक पेज में लखिया था. TD is equal to 1 plus 0.7 into zeta upon omega n. Again it will be second. Okay, with this the equation of TD. Okay, so this kind of examples are generally being asked in your tutorials as well as in your examination, and in many competitive examination they are asking for finding out all this equation, so you need to remember all these final equations. Okay, any query?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so only one topic is remaining, that is the controller in this particular chapter, and we are having 2 tutorials for this. Okay, so we will be coming with 2 tutorials I will upload. એમાંથી એક જે છે તમારો થિયરીનો છે અને એક છે તમારો પ્રેક્ટિકલ મીન્સ એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ છે. So I will upload it and we'll be having one session for this interaction of root locus tutorials as well as your these two tutorials. Okay, so I will ask you to join in the another session because સોમવારનું જે લેબ સેશન છે આપણું મિસ થઈ ગયું છે, તો એ આપણે રિકવર કરીશું after some time. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so those who are having query
Okay,
can
sir.
stay here, or those who don't those who don't have, they can leave.
Thank you, sir.
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 સર
Yes.
ટીપી વાળું જે ફાઇનલ ઇક્વેશન હતું ને એ છે બતાવો ને સર, એક સેકન્ડ.
EP પહેલા કાલે કરાયું,
હા પહેલા કરાવ્યું.
એમાં મેં એક થોડુંક મોડિફિકેશન કર્યું છે, મે બી માઇનસ સાઇન ના રિલેટેડ હશે. Is it visible?
યસ સર.
Okay, બોલો.
થેન્ક યુ સર.
બસ
હા બસ.
શું ક્વેરી હતી? Roll number 21, you have any query?
નો સર ક્વેરી નથી, જસ્ટ એક ઇક્વેશન જે જોવું હતું ખાલી ફાઇનલ બસ.
મેં અહીંયા થોડોક સુધારો કર્યો છે. આ જે માઇનસ છે ને એ
હા.
કદાચ છે ને એ અહીંયા સીધું મેં પ્લસ લખી નાખ્યું હતું, એટલે અહીંયા માઇનસ મેં ભૂલથી લખ્યું. આમ ધીસ માઇનસ એન્ડ ધીસ માઇનસ ઇઝ ગોઈંગ ટુ બી પ્લસ. અને મેં અપલોડ કરેલું જ છે ફાઇનલ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ.
હા ઓકે સર, થેન્ક યુ.
Roll number 30, you have any problem? Any query?
No, sir.
Okay, you can leave.